Hello Namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing an overview of VTP Monarch Hinjewadi, which is located near Hinjewadi Phase 1, Hinjewadi, Pune, and developed by VTP Realty. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before checking out the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly with the developer. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. So now let's talk about the project overview with the help of 3D model. VTP Monarch will be constructed on 10 acres of land parcel consisting of 7 towers. Each tower will be having ground plus podium plus 35 floors with 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residences. And now let's talk about the surrounding and connectivity of the project. As you can see, I am here at the actual location of the project. आप मेरे राइट हैंड साइड में भी देख सकते हैं, ये रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और उसी के राइट हैंड साइड में रहेगा उनका लैंड पार्सल. और अगर हम लोकेशन की बात करते हैं ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर राजीव गांधी पार्क, हिंजेवाड़ी फेज 1, हिंजेवाड़ी, पुणे. और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं तो यू कैन ऑल्सो कनेक्ट मुंबई बैंगलोर हाईवे विद इन 3.8 किलोमीटर, इन्फोसिस सर्कल विद इन 950 मीटर्स, डीमार्ट विद इन 2.4 किलोमीटर ऑल्सो. And now coming to the amenities part of the project with the help of 3D model. The project has 35 plus luxurious amenities like clubhouse, gym, kids play area, senior setup area, swimming pool, indoor party hall and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, VTP Monarch has 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residences, and 2 BHK starting from 806 to 859 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 1094 to 1486 square feet and 4.5 BHK starting from 1652 to 2105 square feet carpet area. And now let's talk about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain you the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schedules along with the location tour of the project. And then if clients like the project, we can continue and proceed with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of VTP Monarch Hinjewadi, which is located near Hinjewadi Phase 1, Hinjewadi, Pune and developed by VTP Realty. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, एंड फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस क्लिक ऑन द गिवन बिलो लिंक एंड डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.